Hey guys! So, of course, this is the look of the week, the wear it 3 ways. So, of course, you saw the simple version of just the dress by itself, which is always a staple piece anyway. You don't even have to add anything to it. But just in case you wanted to add something to it, I do have a few things that I am going to toss with this to just jazz it up just a little bit. If you want, of course, you can just do the sneakers or the sandals and the dress and you will be fly all by yourself. I am going to try to do a video of how I made this dress as I make more colors, because I definitely want to make some more colors in it because I love it and it's simple and it's easy and it's fashionable. Okay, so one of the things I did have to add to this look was this belt. Now, a belt is it's pretty simple. Isn't necessary, it's not really necessary, but if you want to jazz it up a little bit, of course you can just add this belt to it, or you can add another belt you have. You can do a thin belt, you can do even a chain belt. Will look very cute with this, but I just decided to add this belt because it goes with my hair and as well as my sneakers, because I have some in my sneakers. Actually, I don't know if you guys can see the close up, but it's in my sneakers, so I wanted to definitely add this belt in particular. I don't know if you guys know, I love color, so I decided to add this beautiful colorful vest, which I love. So this just jazzes it up just a little bit. If you were going somewhere at night, maybe you wanted to add a little something to it. This is a cute little piece. It's easy, especially for the summertime. It's not too hot. The material is great. I actually picked this up at a boutique, so love, love, love it. I actually have one in pink as well. But if you wanted to add a little something too, of course you could add a kimono. You could add just a vest just in general to spruce it up a little bit. You don't have to do, of course, this vest or this belt, but this is just the idea that I put together. And actually the green is in my shoestrings in these in these sneakers, so I definitely wanted to bring it all together, bring the sneaker together with the look. I love it. Hope you guys love it. Let me know what's your favorite.